Alright, so in this question, Mrs. T has a piece of ribbon. Okay, let me change the color. Yeah, of 620 cm long. He cuts it into 3 pieces, ribbon A, B, and C. Okay, ribbon B is 80 cm shorter than A. Okay, this one is a bit tricky because now B is 80 cm shorter than A. So there is a comparison between A and B now. So let's see which one is shorter. The longer one will be, I will add 80 cm. So B is shorter, so A is longer. So this is how I process, okay? So let's repeat again. B is shorter by 80 cm. Is this correct? Yes, it's correct, okay? Now, next, and 180 cm shorter than C. Now, is this 180 cm between A and C or B and C? You notice that it's actually comparing B with C. This is a common trap that most will fall into because they'll take it as is a comparison between A and C. Yeah, so take note of the phrasing. So now for C, B is 180 cm. Okay, so it's comparing B and C. So B is 180 cm shorter. So B is still shorter and C is longer by 180 cm. Okay, so take notes that you can actually align with the top. So this is 80 cm, this is 100 cm. I'm not sure if this is helpful, but we can try. Okay, so you can call this as units, 1 unit, and then the total is 620 cm. So how do you find B, which happens to be just 1 unit? So we have 3 units equals to 620 minus of 80 minus of 180. Okay, I'll use calculator because I just want to focus on my explanation, which is 360 cm. So 1U is 360 divided by 3, which is 120 cm. Okay, so this is the answer for part A, because B happens to be also 1 unit. What about part B? So for part B, to find C will be 1U plus 180. So you have 120 plus 180, which is 300 cm. So for this case, you just have to take notes of the phrasing here and here. This part is tricky, yeah, so please take notes and get your child to really understand what's the difference